right, you ready?
Do it on Girl's Garage.
Down. Well, I have a YouTube channel, and I changed the name. It was my own, and then I just changed it to Austin Alex. Get out of the way!
Oh shit! What a piece of shit. Sorry.
Oh, that sounds good.
Oh yeah, you're welcome.
What'd you do, shim it?
I just, you know how it's broken? I think if you tighten the broken side first, it cocks it.
And then
So I
it's
did the
holes
flat
in-
side and make sure it's flush against the block.
Yeah, because then it was.
And then I tightened the other fucking side. So I think it was off.
That's right. I mean, it makes sense because it has a lot of. It has play. Dude.
Brother, come on, let's go.
Can you step on the gas pedal and then we'll try to keep it running a little bit?
Negative.
Gracias. You did fucking, dude, that sounds really good. Whatever the fuck you did, props.
I gribble scratched it.
You gribbled it. I just gribbled around with it. And Alright, hold on. Gas? Alright. That was just what we do. Because it popped out of place.
Yeah.
That it. It's fucked.
Yeah.
I think it's been detonated and like, if it was running like that to break the starter and shit. Again? Alright, look it. Done. Yeah. Well, at least we, dude, good
I
shit.
got a video of it breaking.
Yeah.